Welcome back to the RV Rundown, the segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm your host, Barry, and I'm standing inside the 2021 Zinger 333DB. This is from CrossRoads, and it is a family-oriented travel trailer with 2 slides. This is a bunkhouse layout that could potentially sleep up to 10. I'm right by the main entrance where we step up into this kind of combined living room kitchen area. It's nice and open thanks to the deep slide that's off to this side. The kitchen itself is pretty well equipped. We have loads of counter space thanks to the glass covers that are over our 3-burner range there, as well as the sink covers that, if we lift up, reveal the big dual basin stainless steel sink with a nice high faucet and an extendable wand for washing off pots and pans. There's no shortage of cabinetry here. We've got overhead cabinetry as well as drawers down below. This does have a decent sized 12-volt refrigerator in it. I like that. It cools down super fast. And then, of course, this has a pantry. I love the fact that this has a pantry. Being a bunkhouse and hosting up to 10 people, you're going to need room for all of that food. The couch sits directly across from our entertainment center. This is a jackknife sofa, so it will lay flat and turn into another bed. It also has a couple of cup holders built into it as well. The entertainment center itself can host a large flat screen TV. It does come with the sound bar and an electric fireplace that's going to help offset the cost of LP in the colder months. Behind me, we have the bunk room. This bunk room is pretty awesome for a couple of reasons. One, this is 50 amp service. It has 2 ACs. One of them's back here. 2, this has an entertainment center across from a couch. So when we do have big folks here, it is easy, as with a big family I should say, to have them separated and having their own entertainment in different places. There's also closets and drawers on either side. And of course, this room is versatile in the sense that this couch can flip down into a bed. It has a trundle bed hiding underneath it, and then up above we can drop down yet another bunk. And even better yet, they're not going to be tromping through the house to use the bathroom because we have a half bath hiding right back here. That is super useful, and it expands our gray and black tanks immensely. Let's push up forward because I want to show you guys the bathroom and the master bedroom. But as we're getting there, I want to make notice of this giant U-shaped dinette. This will collapse and form yet another bed that could easily sleep 2 adults. Now, heading down the hallway, we pass our main control panel that's right there at the entryway. And then the bathroom in this bad boy is decently sized with loads of storage as well. They put a closet immediately to the left when you step in. And that's got plenty of shelving in it up above and below. So lots of towels and other such thing. The glass shower surround closes up, and it's actually quite a nice fancy little shower. And it's a pass-through bathroom, so it has access from the main bedroom. The main bedroom is the typical travel trailer design that we see across the board, with shelving up top, some outlets on either side, a place to set your drinks and your phones and your alarm clocks, whatever else you may have, and then some standard closets on either side of the bed. There's also underbed storage here in the form of strut lifted and assisted. Nice big box there. And then up on the wall we have a spot where we can hook up a TV in here if you so choose to. Now there's one more thing I want to show you guys, and that's outside. So we're going to pop out that way because this is equipped with an outside kitchen. Let's go. Here outside at the rear of the 333DB, we have an excellent outside entertainment / kitchen space in the sense that they've given us these plastic countertops that are water resistant, a nice decent sized sink, as well as a 2-burner stove from Flame King that's propane based. And then we have a hot point electric refrigerator built in here as well. Another cool thing that we've got going on is a spot to hook up an outside television with all of the cable plugins and power right there. We could put that on a swinging mount to make it easier to see, or we could just flat mount it to that back wall. That's a pretty cool feature if you ask me. And also, as you see down there, there's a gas line out. So if you did want to hook up a big Weber grill or something, you got that option. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of the 333DB from CrossRoads. Until next time, happy camping.